Hello guys, you are most welcome in my English speaking channel, and today I am going to discuss about a topic that is related with the growth and development of children in our country, whether they belong to a rich or poor family. We know very well that education is very costly in modern age, and each and every family is not able to pay the expenses of their child in the field of education. So we know that most of the family of our country are very poor, and their condition is not such like that they can be able to pay the expenses of their children for their education. And we know very well that if our child is not educated, he cannot get a good job in modern society. So we have to think over this point, that how can we make progress in our children so that they can be able to face any competitions in modern age, and how can they will be able to get good jobs for their life. We have to make the futures of our wards, we have to make the life of our wards in modern age. So it is necessary for each and every family that we have to make our children literate. We know very well that most of the people of our country are illiterate, and they have no knowledge about the field of education, and they are not able to get a good job in our country. So they are trying for foreign countries, and they are going to foreign countries to earn a lot of money. So this is a very big challenge for our new generation and for the children of our societies. So we have to think over this point, that how can the children of our society will be able to get a good education, and how can they will be able to get a good job for leading their life. If you are going to the quotations of great scholars and great people of our country, who all have given their opinion and ideas for the progress and development of the people of our country. In today's society, people are only thinking about their development and growth. It is must for each and everyone, but we must have to think over this point, that how can our wards, how can our children be able to get developed, and how can they be able to get a good job. First of all, we must pay attention towards the growth of our children, because children growth is very important for us. Not only the rich family, but also the poor family, but also the poor people will have to think over this better. Government